Hi everyone, welcome back to Tutorials by David, and in this video we will be fixing the PON light blinking coverage. If your PON Wi-Fi is having a trouble connecting the internet or is blinking, then here's how to do it. So first is that you must understand the light. So if it has a steady green PON light, which means it is normal connection. But if it is blinking PON light, the modem can't establish a stable fiber link. So what you want to need to do is you want to check the cables. You want to make sure the fiber optic cable is secured plugged into the modem with no bends, cracks, or dirt on the tip. Avoid sharp bends or pinching the fiber line. Next up is you want to restart the modem. You want to turn it off, wait for like 30 seconds, then power it back on. Watch if the PON light turns solid after a few minutes. Also, you want to inspect the LOS light. So if the LOS light is red or blinking, it usually means a line cut or signal issue is outside your home. Next up is check for service outage. Log into your Converge app or portal or contact your customer support to see if there's an outage in your area. And yes, lastly, that is you want to do. If none of these work, you want to contact the Converge, so it usually means that fiber line issue um, will require a technician for your issue. So quick note is that a blinking PON or PON light usually isn't something you can fully fix at home. It often points to a network or fiber line fault.